Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th. Today we will see 10th chapter Bank and Simple Interest. Now, students, today we will see first of all what is bank. Now, whenever the word come bank, what comes in your mind? It comes about the transaction of money. Clear? What is bank? Banks carried out the transaction of money. So, let's see what is bank. Now, student, bank is an government recognized institutions that carried out the transaction of money. Clear? Now, bank make it easier to plan how we can use our money. Clear? Now, what else we can do in a bank? We can either deposit our money in a bank or we can withdraw money from a bank. Clear? Now, for that, for withdrawing and depositing a money, for that purpose, what we need a account. Clear? So today we will see what are the different types of account in a bank. Now student, here I have used the word withdraw and deposit. Now what do you mean by the word withdraw and deposit? Now withdraw means when we are removing the money from our account is known as withdraw, and deposit means when we are adding the money in our account is known as deposit. Clear? Now see student, in the previous class we have studied about the principal. Now what is principal? The amount which we have borrowed from a bank or the amount which we are borrowing from someone else, that amount is known as our principal. Clear? The amount which we are depositing in a bank, that amount is also known as our principal. Clear? What is principal? Next thing we have to see, that is interest. Now what is interest? Now the bank will provide a loan. Clear? The bank will give a loan, but the bank will not give a loan as a free of cost. The bank will charge some extra money, so that extra money is known as our interest. Clear? Now how the bank will charge that extra money? The bank will charge that extra money as per the percent. Clear? 5%, 10%, understood? So that is known as your rate of interest. Clear? Now next thing we have to see, that is amount. Now what is amount? Now when we are returning our principal as well as the interest to the bank, that money is known as your amount. Now suppose I have taken 10,000 as a loan from a bank. Clear? So that 10,000 is my principal. Clear? After the period I am returning 15,000 to a bank, so that extra money, that 5,000 is my extra money, that 5,000 is my interest. Clear? So what I am doing, I am returning my principal as well as I am giving my interest, so together that money is known as your amount. So this 15,000 is my amount. Clear? Now see what are the different types of account. The different types of accounts are saving account, current account, recurring deposit account and fixed deposit account. These are the four type of account which we have to study in this chapter. Now let's see the first type of account, that is saving account. Now let's see what is saving account. Now a person can deposit a minimum amount and open a saving account. Saving account is meant for everyone. Any individual can open a saving account. Clear? Now in saving account what you will do, you can withdraw a money or you can deposit a money. Now bank will pay some interest on the saving account. Whatever balance is there in your account, in your saving account, for that bank is paying some interest. For saving account, what bank will provide you? Bank will provide you a passbook and bank will provide you a checkbook. Clear? And any individual can open this saving account. Understood student? A saving account is a basic type of bank account that allows you to deposit money and withdraw funds or withdraw money. Clear? You can also earn a interest in this account. Clear? Now next type of a account is current account. Now let's see what is current account. Now current account is mainly for the traders and the businessmen, the person who is dealing with money on the daily basis, that can open a current account. Clear? A businessman and only a traders can open a current account. Clear everyone? Now what bank will provide you for the current account? Bank will provide you a statement. It is same as your passbook as well as a checkbook. Clear? And one more important thing in current account is the bank doesn't pay any interest on the money in this type of account. Where you will get the interest? You will get the interest in the saving account, but we will not get the interest in the current account. For current account, bank is not paying an interest. Clear everyone? So a current account is meant for a traders or a businessman, means a person who is dealing with money on the daily basis. That person can open a current account. It is not meant for an individual. Now let's see what are the difference between the saving account and the current account. Now as we have studied that saving account is meant for the individual. Clear? Any individual can open a saving account, but current account is meant for only for the traders and the businessmen. Clear? Who can open a current account? A person who is dealing with money on the daily basis, that person can open a current account. Clear? Now for saving account, less amount is required. Clear? In less amount you can open your saving account, but for current account higher amount is required. Understood? And bank pays an interest for saving account. Whatever amount is there in your saving account, for that the bank is paying an interest. Clear? But bank doesn't provide any interest for current account. Understood? What is saving account and what is current account? What are the difference between the saving account and current account, students? Now next type of account is fixed deposit account. Now let's see what is fixed deposit account. Now what happens in fixed deposit account is you have to decide what amount you have to deposit in this account. Clear everyone? Now you have to deposit a certain amount for a fixed period of time. Clear? The amount and time you will decide that what amount you have to deposit in this account and for what period you have to deposit this amount. Clear? Understood everyone? Only once you have to deposit this amount in fixed deposit account. Clear? After the completion of the period, clear, when your period is completed, suppose you have kept that money for 2 years, so after the 2 years what you will get? You will get the higher rate of interest as compared to your saving account. In saving account we are getting less interest, but in fixed deposit account we are getting a higher rate of interest. Clear everyone? What is fixed deposit account now? Now next type of account is recurring deposit account. Now let's see what is recurring deposit account. Now recurring deposit account is also known as your RD account. Now what happens in this account is account holder can decide the amount to be deposited every month in the account. Clear? It is same as your fixed deposit, but what happens in fixed deposit? You have to deposit the money only once, but in recurring deposit account what happens? You have to decide a period. Clear? Every month you have to deposit money in that account. Clear everyone? In recurring, the amount and period you will decide. Understood? So that amount will be deducted from your saving account and it will goes to your recurring deposit account. And the end of the period and the completion of the period, what you will get? You will get the higher rate of interest. Understood? As compared to your saving account. Clear everyone? Now let's see how recurring deposit account work. Now first of all what you will do? You will deposit your money. Where you will deposit your money? In your saving account. Clear? From your saving account where your money will go? Your money will go, your amount will go in your RD account. RD means in your recurring deposit account. And after the completion of the period, what you will get? You will get your amount as well as the interest. Clear? So students, today we have studied what is bank as well as what are the different types of account. In different types of accounts we have studied saving account, current account, recurring deposit account and fixed deposit account. Thank you.